kasi sobrang full na yung
schedule. Kulang yung oras sa isang araw.
Oo.
Okay, first pass of the ball. Yumang. Hits it on 2. Dalawa lang kayo at 10. This is a toss that is out. Lai gets to it. Here's Jamie Dilly. Here's the toss. The setup job by Yumang. The strike. It is inside.
Si Gendrauli.
Early on, 2 against 6. Tubiera tries to make up. It's off the block of Gendrauli. Tubiera slaps it in and scores. Bawi. Problematic, but playable.
Long rally here.
First long rally of the match. And usually it will end in an error pag long rally.
Oo nga.
Ate mo, bubuhayin at bubuhayin.
Oh, there's the error.
So, regardless of level yan. UV can reach ng variety na experiences niya as a player.
Right.
Manlapit got to it. Abel hoists it high. Looked long, but Sabas was committed to it. Standing spike. Here comes a set by Yumang. Abel attacks. And it's out of reach. It's getting to be bigger and bigger now. It's a 10-point lead for the Comelec.
You know, I asked Abel, what's their game plan for today's match? Kasi nga, nag-5 sets sila ng round 1.
So, a bit of misread by Shaila Tan. Here comes Abel. Abel attacks. Wicked shot into down the line.
And that's why you need a blocker.
Lunged forward already.
Yes.
Here's Shaila Tan and her serve. Dances nicely into the air. Lai. Sabas. And Drowley with a good dig. And Abel gets it on the cross-court attempt.
No, that wasn't a very strong hit from Abel, but it was good placement. She saw na merong hole doon in between zone 1 and 2, and she got the point.
Importante yan. Pupunta muna ng Boracay yan para paggawa yung braid. In the meantime, Sabas, by the way, it's one of the things women can, or anybody can have done if you go to Boracay. This one is scored upon by the Comelec. And they may not be able to complete a turnaround in this first set, but they need energy. That will hopefully spill over into the second set. In the meantime, that hits the inside, and the point belongs to the Senate. They are now with 10 against 18. Johnny Kalai gets an ace, gives. Sige, bigayan ng free ball. Ito, ganda set. Abel says, no problem. Ganda rin, but it's out. Alam ni Cecilio na out there. Sinubukan yan, makasakali. Hinabol ni Yumang in play. Sabas on courts. No problem for the libero. Problematic for the front line though.
Yeah, because the ball
by Abel. She jumps into position. Dilly. Sinday. Yumang. And it's too hot to handle.
Kita mo na na maganda yung magiging tira ni Abel dun sa setup ni Yumang. Look at her approach. Malayo yung pinanggalingan niya. And she was in a perfect position. Not too close to the net, not too far.
Will serve. Yumang goes to Gendrauli. And again, it's too hot to handle.
Si Gendrauli gusto niya malapit sa net yung bola eh. Kasi para wrist action na lang halos ang kailangan niyang gawin. So much power.
Alam mo bakit din? Wala naman masyadong blocking din eh. Felipe. Good. Well done.
That was a good first ball.
Always hard to guard the southpaws, the left-handed players into the back row. Manlapit.
Good set.
Hinabol.
Oo nga.
They 10-3. Oh, straight and true.
Wow. Import to import. Nice serve. Chance ball.
Set up by Yumang down the middle. And Dili ended up by the suffragettes. Yumang calmly sets it up. Abil, bullet, straight and true. Abil battling for the shot down the middle. Oh, good dig up that time. Manlapit. Oh, good shot.
Nice.
Well done.
Yeah, that was a good aggressive move by Sabas. Look at this. There's a quick return, but it was an over-receive, and wow, Sabas wouldn't have that. Good decision.
Good cut shot. Cerezo was there.
Oh, good save.
Oh! Hindi maisoli ng Comelec. Nagkalituan ng konti. 17-10.
Ganda naman kasi ng galaw ng bola, kaya kung ikaw din sa Comelec, parang, uy, unbelievable, na-save, di ba? Mapapanood ka na lang eh.
Ay, buhay pa. No whistle, we play on. Two-handed, stop that time. Kept in play by the Senate. Battle at the net, it stays down and out. Tobiera taking care of business.
At yan ang gusto mo kung ikaw si Coach Roger after the timeout, aggressive at the net to Biera. That created a lot of problem for the Comelec.
Good shot by Abil.
And you've got two major hitters here in front for the Comelec. Ayan si De Los Santos at saka si Abil. Good hit by Abil there, going for cross court dahil the blocker tried to watch.
Manlapit serve for the set. It's off the hands of De Los Santos.
Yeah, good hit there by Tubiera. Kita niya, ayun, nako, meron din silang laro mamaya. Tingnan natin.
Ayun. Pinaka-importante dun yung 4-4-4-4.
Yun, o nga.
Kasi, so, we usually try not to use the sports monikers or cliches, no? Na who wants it more, but first set going the way of the Senate.
Oh,
Ganun din
wow.
sa first set going the way of the Comelec, and the second. Drop, elbow, shoulder, kahit ano pwede. Yumang down the middle, and that's inside. Points being created by Yumang, by Abil and Hendrauli, both with 18. That's inside. Jane Yumang. Lai goes to Cecilio. Regalo. Hendrauli, Lai, Pinluan. Sabas keeping it in play. Good exchange here. And it ends.
You know, Cecilia blocked Hendrauli pero nakapasok pa rin yung bola. But she went back to her position right away. That's why she was able to get that attack point.
So, sinuntok ni Yumang. Sabi niya, bahala na.
I think yung nangyari doon.
Serve sails over. Sabas. A bullet coming from Sabas, and it's on target.
Nice. This is what you want from your player. Na kahit na nag-commit ka ng error a few plays ago, hindi nawawala yung confidence mo and courage mo to attack.
I would go back to Sabas. Set up. And another. Failed to mention, China Tinagan is also ready there. Wearing number 2. There she is on the attack, long.
Too much of an...
Pero hindi.
Bigay nga.
Pero smart setting would say, balik mo kay Tanagan actually.
Correct.
Nagkaguloan, Senado. Pinluan. Sends it high. Oh!
Nice!
Well done that time by Chanda Manlapit, who scores her second point.
Oh, ang ganda ng distribution ni Yumang. She went for Manlapit and, you know, you could tell that the defense was...
Another good serve in play. Cecilio whips it in. And they get their 11th.
Coach Ricky Marcos, talagang dinidictate niya, sinasabi niya, oh, pag dito ang tira, dito kayo magre-receive. It's the positioning that really has to be correct. Nice serve.
Tan. And Tan provides them their final point. And it's a straight sets win.